Have you ever gazed up at an airplane, a silver bird soaring against the vast blue canvas, and felt a pang of longing, a desire to be at the helm? Becoming a commercial pilot is more than just a career. It's an adventure, a passport to explore the world from a breathtaking perspective. It's about mastering complex machines, navigating intricate airspaces, and connecting people and places. The allure of aviation is undeniable. The feeling of lifting off the runway, leaving the world behind, and ascending into the clouds is simply unparalleled. As a commercial pilot, you become a modern-day explorer, traversing continents, witnessing stunning landscapes, and experiencing the magic of flight firsthand. It's a career filled with responsibility, challenges, and immense rewards. However, the journey to becoming a pilot requires dedication, rigorous training, and an unwavering passion for the skies. It's a demanding profession, requiring technical expertise, sharp decision-making skills, and a commitment to safety. But for those who dare to dream, the rewards are immeasurable. So if you're ready to embark on this incredible journey, let's delve into the steps involved in becoming a commercial pilot. Before you take to the skies, it's essential to ensure you meet the necessary prerequisites. These prerequisites are designed to ensure that you have the foundational knowledge, physical health, and personal integrity required to handle the responsibilities of piloting an aircraft. Airlines and flight schools have specific requirements that candidates must fulfill to be eligible for training. These requirements are in place to maintain high standards of safety and professionalism in the aviation industry. Education. A high school diploma or equivalent is typically the minimum educational requirement. This foundational education ensures that you have the basic skills in mathematics, science, and communication that are essential for pilot training. However, many aspiring pilots choose to pursue higher education, such as a bachelor's degree in aviation management or a related field. This advanced education can provide a deeper understanding of aviation principles, management skills, and technical knowledge. While not mandatory, a college degree can enhance your knowledge base and make you a more competitive candidate. It can also open up additional career opportunities within the aviation industry, such as roles in aviation management, safety, and operations. Health and fitness. Pilots must meet stringent medical standards to obtain their licenses. These standards are in place to ensure that pilots are physically capable of handling the demands of flying an aircraft. A medical examination by an FAA-approved aviation medical examiner is required. This examination is comprehensive and includes various tests to assess your overall health. This examination assesses your vision, hearing, cardiovascular health, and overall physical condition. Good vision and hearing are crucial for a pilot, as they need to be able to see and hear clearly in various flight conditions. Maintaining good physical health and fitness is crucial throughout your piloting career. Regular exercise and a healthy lifestyle can help you meet the physical demands of flying and reduce the risk of health issues that could affect your ability to fly. Age requirement. You must be at least 18 years old to obtain a commercial pilot license. This age requirement ensures that candidates have reached a level of maturity and responsibility necessary for piloting an aircraft. There is no upper age limit, but pilots must maintain their medical clearance and flying proficiency. This means that as long as you are healthy and capable, you can continue to fly regardless of your age. Background check. Airlines conduct thorough background checks on all prospective pilots. This is to ensure that candidates have a history of responsible behavior and can be trusted with the safety of passengers and crew. A clean criminal record and a history of responsible behavior are essential. Any history of criminal activity or irresponsible behavior can disqualify you from becoming a pilot. Meeting these prerequisites is the first step towards your aviation career. It's important to thoroughly understand and meet all the requirements before you begin your training. Once you've ensured you meet the requirements, you can begin exploring flight schools and training programs. Researching and choosing the right flight school is crucial, as it will provide the foundation for your training and future career as a pilot. Choosing the right flight school is a crucial decision in your journey to becoming a commercial pilot. This decision will shape your future career and the quality of training you receive. There are numerous flight schools worldwide, each offering different training programs, facilities, and instructors. It's important to understand what each school offers and how it aligns with your career goals. Research and selection. Begin by researching reputable flight schools. Look for schools with strong industry connections and positive reviews from former students. Consider factors such as location, cost, fleet size, instructor experience, and industry reputation. The location can affect your living expenses and the type of weather conditions you'll train in. It's helpful to visit schools, talk to current students, and get a feel for the training environment. This first-hand experience can provide valuable insights that you won't find online. The training environment, including the quality of simulators and aircraft, plays a significant role in your learning experience. Ensure the school has up-to-date equipment and technology. Application process. Once you've shortlisted your preferred schools, you'll need to complete the application process. This is your opportunity to showcase your dedication and readiness for flight training. This typically involves submitting transcripts, medical certificates, recommendation letters, and other required documents. Make sure all your paperwork is complete and submitted on time. A personal statement outlining your passion for aviation is also crucial. This is your chance to explain why you want to become a pilot and what drives your interest in aviation.
Entrance exams and interviews. Some flight schools may require entrance exams to assess your aptitude for aviation. These exams are designed to ensure you have the foundational knowledge needed for flight training. These exams may evaluate your knowledge of mathematics, physics, English language proficiency, and spatial reasoning skills. It's important to prepare thoroughly for these tests. You may also be invited for an interview to discuss your goals, motivation, and suitability for a career as a pilot. This is your chance to make a strong impression and demonstrate your commitment. During the interview, be prepared to talk about your long-term career goals, your understanding of the aviation industry, and how you plan to overcome challenges in your training.
Financial planning. Flight training can be expensive, so it's essential to have a solid financial plan in place. Consider all potential costs, including tuition, materials, and living expenses. Explore financing options, such as scholarships, loans, or payment plans offered by the flight school. Some schools may offer financial aid or work-study programs to help manage costs.
By carefully considering these factors and selecting the right flight school, you'll be well on your way to beginning your aviation training. This decision will lay the foundation for your future success as a pilot. With the right preparation and a clear understanding of what to expect, you can make an informed choice that aligns with your career aspirations and sets you up for a rewarding journey in aviation. Before you can take the controls of an aircraft, you'll need a solid foundation in aviation theory and principles. This foundation is not just about understanding how to fly, but also about comprehending the intricate details that ensure every flight is safe and efficient. This is where ground school comes in. Ground school is the bedrock of your aviation education, providing the essential knowledge that will support your practical flying skills. Ground school is the academic portion of flight training, covering a wide range of subjects essential for safe and successful flight operations. It's where you'll learn the theoretical aspects that are crucial for understanding the complexities of aviation. Subjects covered ground school curriculum typically includes a comprehensive array of topics that are vital for any aspiring pilot.
Aviation meteorology, understanding weather patterns, forecasting, and the impact of weather on flight. This knowledge helps pilots anticipate and react to various weather conditions, ensuring safety and efficiency. Navigation principles of flight navigation using instruments, charts, and electronic navigation systems. Mastery of navigation is crucial for plotting courses, avoiding obstacles, and reaching destinations accurately. Aerodynamics. The study of how air interacts with aircraft and the forces that affect flight. Understanding aerodynamics is essential for controlling the aircraft and optimizing its performance. Aircraft systems, in-depth knowledge of aircraft engines, electrical systems, hydraulics, fuel systems, and more. This understanding is critical for troubleshooting and maintaining the aircraft. Flight planning and performance. Calculating fuel requirements, weight and balance, and aircraft performance parameters. Effective flight planning ensures that flights are conducted safely and efficiently. Human factors. Understanding the physiological and psychological aspects of flying, including decision-making and stress management. This knowledge helps pilots maintain their well-being and make sound decisions under pressure. Regulations and procedures. Familiarization with aviation regulations, airspace rules, and communication procedures. Adhering to these regulations is essential for legal and safe flight operations.
Methods of instruction ground school can be delivered through various methods, including classroom lectures, online courses, flight simulators, and self-study materials. Each method offers unique benefits and can cater to different learning styles. Classroom lectures, traditional classroom settings with instructors presenting lectures and demonstrations. This method allows for direct interaction with instructors and immediate clarification of doubts. Online courses. Flexible learning options, allowing students to study at their own pace and convenience. Online courses are ideal for those who need to balance their studies with other commitments. Flight simulators. Immersive simulations that replicate real-world flight scenarios and reinforce theoretical concepts. Simulators provide a safe environment to practice and hone flying skills without the risks associated with actual flight. Self-study materials, textbooks, workbooks, and online resources provide comprehensive coverage of ground school subjects. These materials allow students to review and reinforce their knowledge at their own pace. Mastering ground school is crucial for passing the written exams required for pilot certification. It provides the theoretical knowledge and understanding necessary to make informed decisions and handle various flight situations safely. By dedicating time and effort to ground school, aspiring pilots lay a strong foundation for their future in aviation, ensuring they are well prepared for the challenges and responsibilities of flying.